Good evening and welcome to Sights and Sounds of Milwaukee. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Trevor, and we're going to go to Mad Planet to catch up with some bands, some great bands, Stereo Frontier and Undercover Organism.
We're also doing a rendezvous with local promoters, Irie Vibes. Stay tuned, we got a great show.
Don't change it.
Thank you. Let's keep it rolling, eh?
Hutch. I play guitar.
I'm Jason. I play the drums.
I'm also Jason. I play bass.
I'm Josh. I do production work, DJ, synth, electronics, and play a little guitar and sing a little bit. Me and Hutch started the band in the end of 2008, and we had a couple other members before. Jason was in bass, and as of last year, Jason Perry played some drums for us. End of 2008, pretty much 2009, we just started the band.
Undercoverorganism.com is our website. You can download free music there. We've also got a Facebook group.
Yeah, we're on Facebook or Twitter, Instagram. I mean, we're on all that stuff. If you just search Undercover Organism, we're pretty much the only undercover organism you've ever come across.
We're going to keep it that way.
So, yeah, I mean, pretty much anywhere on the internet you can find us if you want to learn more. We got updated calendars and stuff like that. But then, just around town, the city of Milwaukee, we're always keeping newspapers and stuff informed with that with when we're playing and stuff like that.
Come check us out.
play the bass.
I'm Pat Schreiner. I play lead guitar.
I'm Brian Cassay. I play lead guitar and keyboard.
I'm Brock Shupp. I play drums.
I'm Todd Tratine. I play percussion.
We created a Facebook page about 3 years ago. Stereo Frontier started with just me, the lone wolf, making music in my apartment, and I made a CD and put some art to it, and it was called Stereo Frontier. I came up with the name because I like the stereophonic vibe. I wanted something new, I wanted something fresh, so that's where Frontier came, and I put it together. That really isn't anything like we sound like now, but it was the base of an idea that other people could grab onto. So we created the Facebook and have been utilizing that more as to get people to follow us, to get show updates, see what we're doing on a daily basis, if they care. And we've been also making our own website, which you helped.
Right, we do it at stereofrontier.com. You can find us.
We are Stereo Frontier. You can search us on Facebook at Stereo Frontier, and we also have a website, stereofrontier.com. Check us out for more updates and more music coming soon.
One of the reasons we started our own business is because a lot of our friends and relatives and family members and people that we care about were in the music scene in here in Wisconsin and not necessarily getting the best deals from promoters and other businesses that they work with, and we stepped in and decided that if we organized and made it a group effort and put artists first, it's something that we could do a better job of than had been done in the past. It's always been our philosophy at iRevives that we put our artists first, and we want to make sure they get paid and well taken care of and have an opportunity to get their music heard.
We did start the company back in March of 2009, so this is our 5th year running, going on the 6th year. We actually started in the industry back in 1999, though, when we worked with a company called Daga Productions, and we put on a lot of major reggae events and electronic events and stuff like that throughout the state of Wisconsin. And then back in 2009, we decided to start our own business, and we love it.
Absolutely. One of the reasons we started our own business is because a lot of our friends and relatives and family members and people that we care about were in the music scene in here in Wisconsin and not necessarily getting the best deals from promoters and other businesses that they work with, and we stepped in and decided that if we organized and made it a group effort and put artists first, it's something that we could do a better job of than had been done in the past. It's always been our philosophy at iRevives that we put our artists first, and we want to make sure they get paid and well taken care of and have an opportunity to get their music heard. That's really where the idea came from and how we got into it.
And our main focus would be bringing diversity and unity to the events, because Milwaukee is known as one of the most segregated cities in the U.S., and I'm about unity and bringing people together and, under one roof for righteous, positive music, So that's one of the things that we're well known for in the city of Milwaukee, is bringing a lot of different genres, of music together under one roof. So,
Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I'd like to thank Rosie from Mad Planet and Daisy from Thurman's for letting us come and use their facilities.
And also the bands, Stereo Frontier, Undercover Organism, for sitting down and chatting with us. And there you have it.
Have a great night.
I give the pills, so come on, baby, take me. Feel like someone's got come on, baby, wake me. I ain't gonna take me. Come on, baby, shake me. Take over my world, come on, baby, earthquake. I give the pills, so come on, baby, take me. Feel like someone's got come on, baby, wake me. I ain't gonna take me. Come on, baby, shake me. Shake up my world. Take me. tattoos are ugly.